So when you get into Google Classroom, what you're going to see, and actually when you get into Google Classroom, it's probably, you're going to, let me get out of this and just go to Google. When you're on Google, you're going to want to go to this waffle iron right here. And when I go to that waffle iron, I'm going to want to find Google Classroom. And you can't see it, but it's right here. And it's going to take me to this page. If you have other classrooms that you're involved in, you'll see kind of a menu of choices. But if this is your only one, it'll say RTI Professional Book Studies. So you're going to click right on here, and that's going to take you into the classroom. Up at the top is kind of your menu here of the different things that you can do in this Google Classroom. It'll automatically put you on Stream, which is this what you're seeing in front of you. So that's kind of everything that's most recent. So for example, I said, welcome to the Professional Book Study. Here is the Word document that I gave you, and here's also just Amazon.com link to the book. Also, this will also give you anything that I've put in Classroom. So anything that will pop up that's recent. It's kind of like your Facebook feed. You want to think about it that way. So, but the best way, so once you're in and you're ready to do something, you want to go to classwork. That's that second menu item. And here is your first week. That's chapter 1, which is your first task. There is the PowerPoint that I've made for you. So you're going to click on that, and then you can click on the PowerPoint, and you'll see using Google Slides, I created a PowerPoint about chapter 1. So you just, like a normal Google slide, you can just read. There's some videos that I've also included all about Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, some answered questions, and some more information. After you've read the chapter and gone through the PowerPoint, you'll see that I have also posted 3 different questions. Choose one of those questions to answer, and that will count as your host for the group chapter. So you can either I've given you 3 different ones. Now, I'm going to click on here. I'm going to see something different than you are. When you click on there, that'll give you the option to just type your answer right in into this space right here. Again, I'm on the instructor version of this, so I can't see the way this question looks for you. But I've seen it on other screens, and that's kind of how it looks. So you're going to watch the PowerPoint, and you're going to answer one of the 3 questions. Then here's your chance for week 1 chapter choice. So what you have to do is you have to read a separate chapter, and I've given you the choices, and you have to create a very short PowerPoint to educate the group members on this, the chapter that you've chosen. I am not 100% sure how you're going to get your chapter in here, so it might be the best way for you, if you can't figure out how to download the your PowerPoint here, which I'm not 100% sure how you would do that, send it to me or share it with me. It's best if you could share it with me through Google. And actually, I will give you my, this is not through my UNE account as well. So you're going to share it with lanewclark@gmail.com. So basically, this is the stream, which is kind of like everything that's happening currently. This is where your classwork goes. Here are all the people. So far, it's just me and Hope. And then grades is how you're graded, which is more of like a pass-fail. So I hope this helps as an introduction to Google Classroom, and I look forward to seeing you on.